David.
How old are you?
I'm 30.
Now, 13.
13.
Now let us have the speaking test for weather and seasons. What's the weather like today in your city?
Where like today in the city is cloudy and rainy.
Now, what clothes do you normally wear on a sunny day?
I normally wear t-shirt and shirt.
Okay, what clothes do you normally wear on a rainy day?
I normally wear on a rainy day is rain jacket.
Okay, now what are the 4 seasons?
The 4 seasons are spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
What can you do in spring?
Spring I can play with my friend in my home.
What can you see? What can you see in summer?
I can see river far in the sea.
What can you eat in autumn?
I can eat autumn is mooncake.
What can you do in winter?
I sleep in my home.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer because in summer I can go swimming.
Okay, that's all for today. David, thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.